How to add a Visa gift card to DoorDash. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Visa gift card to DoorDash. So the first thing that you want to do is to log in to your DoorDash account. And since I'm only going to show you how to add a gift card to DoorDash, you can just follow these steps that we will be going through over. So what we're going to do is to search on the DoorDash customer support and type in how to add a Visa gift card to DoorDash. And click DoorDash gift cards. Multiple results can be seen in here, so what we're going to do is to browse along these results. And upon checking, you can see here the result, how to redeem your gift card. Once you click that, you will be directed into the step-by-step tutorial. So first is to create an account or sign in to the DoorDash app or DoorDash.com. If you're using a mobile phone, you can just tap on the icon on the top left-hand corner, then click on gift card. Enter the gift card PIN, click redeem gift card. For confirmation, the gift card amount will appear and the DoorDash credit will automatically apply to your next order. And that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.